Hola chicos, ¿cómo están? In this video, you will learn 10 useful phrases you will need in Spanish when you go to a restaurant in Spain or in Latin America. So, stop speaking in English when you go to a restaurant. Speak in Spanish. Let's start with expression number 1. Número 1. ¿Tiene una mesa para dos personas? Do you have a table for two? ¿Tiene una mesa para dos personas? Do you have a table for two? Número 2. ¿Puedo ver el menú, por favor? ¿Puedo ver el menú, por favor? Can I see the menu, please? Can I see the menu, please? Número 3. Quisiera pedir una pizza, por favor. Quisiera pedir una pizza, por favor. I would like to order a pizza, please. I would like to order a pizza, please. Número 4. Number 4. ¿Cuál es el plato del día? ¿Cuál es el plato del día? What's the dish of the day? What's the dish of the day? Muy bien, muy bien. Vamos bien, vamos bien. Número 4. Vámonos ahora con la número 5. Número 5. ¿Tiene opciones vegetarianas? ¿Tiene opciones vegetarianas? Do you have vegetarian options? Do you have vegetarian options? ¿Tiene opciones vegetarianas? Número 6. Number 6. But before number 6, let me just remind you that if you want to take your Spanish from scratch to speak Spanish, we have a course online with 24 lessons. All the Spanish you will need to take your Spanish from scratch, from beginner to the next level. I will leave you the link in this video, in the description of this video, and I have a present for you. As you are subscribed to our channel, you are following our videos, I will give you 80% discount this time with the link that I leave you below. So if you don't speak Spanish, it's because you don't want to. So with this intensive course, you will learn Spanish in 1 month. Believe me, many of my students that are doing this course, and most of them that have already finished it, they are speaking Spanish. Take it. I'll leave you the link in the description. So book now. Número 6. Number 6. ¿Cuánto cuesta? ¿Cuánto cuesta? How much does it cost? How much does it cost? ¿Cuánto cuesta? Número 7. Número 7. Number 7. Quisiera una botella de agua, por favor. Quisiera una botella de agua, por favor. I'd like a bottle of water, please. I'd like a bottle of water, please. Perfecto. Número 8. Número 8. ¿Puede traerme la cuenta, por favor? ¿Puede traerme la cuenta, por favor? Can you bring me the bill, please? Can you bring me the bill, please? You have to pay, guys. You finished eating. Now time to pay. Número 9. Número 9. Todo estuvo muy rico, gracias. Todo estuvo muy rico, gracias. Everything was delicious. Thank you. Everything was delicious. Thank you. Número 10. Number 10. Number 10. ¿Puedo pagar con tarjeta? ¿Puedo pagar con tarjeta? Can I pay by card, please? Can I pay by card? ¿Puedo pagar con tarjeta? Muy bien, perfecto, good job. If you like this video, if you learn something new, or if you refresh your Spanish, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, leave me a comment if there is any phrase or any expression that I didn't use in this video. Can you leave it in the comments? Or your favorite expression from these 10? Leave it in the comment for me, please. Let me just remind you that if you want to do, if you're in the level beginner and you want to do a full course, you want to speak Spanish in 1 month following my method, the method that I apply in that course, I have a course online with 24 video lessons that you can do 1 lesson every day, and the course covers all the content you need to complete the level beginner. So I will leave you the link in the video, in the description, if you want to start it. Muchas gracias, chicos. See you in the next video. Hasta luego.